Hey everyone, welcome. Rabid here, and this is just a quick video to remind everyone about the Aion poker tournament that is coming this Saturday. So if you're not signed up, please do so soon so you don't want to miss it, because there's a lot of prizes to be won. So we'll just check that out and show you how to actually join if you're unsure. So first up, April 10th, 2021, like I said, this Saturday, it starts at 3:10 p.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. Central, 1 p.m. Mountain, which is my time, and 12 p.m. Pacific. It's all play money, fake. You don't need real chips or anything. It's, no limit, Texas Hold'em, and the top 30, plus there's 14 bounties on the payouts. Now, first place is 20,000 Aion plus a $300 digital gift card for dogelord.com merch, as well as a tourney winning t-shirt, and the prizes go from first place all the way down to 30. So that's some good stuff. On top of all that, if you do knock out one of these YouTubers, including Yashnik, Dogelord, Cursed Mining, myself, all these good guys, Red Panda Mining, Serpent X, Savage Mine, Crypto Nuffy, everybody in here, not your normal miner, Nemesis, Dan the Dane, everybody is pretty much here. So yeah, you get a $500 Aion bounty as well as a $30 digital gift card for dogelord.com merch. So we're just going to have a look exactly what this plays out to be. So first place, 20,000 Aion is $7,874 USD if you're in there. If you're from Canada, that works out to be $9,879 for first place. Like I said, you get 500 Aion for knocking out a YouTuber, 1,000 for knocking out Yashnik himself. So $500 bounty for knocking out a YouTuber in the US, that is $196. And when it comes into Canada, that is $246. So that's a nice little payday at the current prices when it does come, just for playing this poker tournament and having a lot of fun. So now we're going to look in how to actually join this, and I'll show you how to sign up. So here we are. We're going to show you how to actually sign up step for step. If you do have any questions, this is the Google document we are going through that has all this information. Link is in the description for that. And of course, questions, like I said, Discord and Twitter, you can reach Savage Mine, Yashnik, Red Panda, Crypto Mikkel, Savage Mine, and Yaman. I think that's Yashnik, but don't quote me on that. Anyway, so yeah, details here. If you need to contact someone is in this Google document. So how to actually sign up, it's quite simple. So if you read through here, it'll say you have to go to PokerStars. This is on PokerStars. Mine is opened up right here. I'm logged in, symbol changed, Rabid Mining. So you're gonna go down, you're gonna click on Home Games right there. Now you're going to have to join the club. I'm already registered and ready to go. So in order to do this, you're going to click on Join Club. Now here it has your club ID, invitation code, and your name. Name is optional, but I do prefer to put your name. That way people know who each other is. So we're going to go to the Google document here. So as you can see right here is the club ID number is 3664902, and the invitation code is community. So we're just going to put that in here. So there is your club ID with that number I said, and your invitation code, which is community. You just put that right here, and then you join up. Yashnik will accept you to the club and everything. Next up, once you accept, you are going to open your club lobby. And this is the actual tournament right here. So you'll just go to schedule, and as you can see, you'll click register right here in your club tournament. If I click it now, obviously it says I would unregister. So there we go. I'm all set and ready for the tournament. I am all registered up. So you can click by country, see how many people are attending. You can click by players, whatever. So I'm just going to scroll down to Canada here and see how many Canadians we got going on in this tournament. So check marks are people that are here. People that are kind of grayed out, they're members, but they have not registered for the tournament yet. So obviously myself, I have a check mark, Mikey and Yashnik. Scroll down, where's Panda at? Is Red Panda, did you register yet? He will be here, but I do not actually know if he registered yet. Here we have another registered user that's ready for the tournament. I am past Canada now. Where is Red Panda? Oh, there you are. Oh, Panda, what's going on? You better hurry up and register. We only have, what is today, Wednesday? 3 more days until this tournament kicks off. So remember that. On the April 10th, 2021, if you're seeing this video after that point, then you missed the tournament, and I'm sorry. So be sure to check it out, share this around. More people involved, the better. It is a lot of fun. So those of you that were curious about this tournament or did not know about it and needed help signing up, hopefully this helps you up, and I'll see you guys at the tournament. Thanks for watching, and Rabid out.